Hi, let's discuss about an important topic in econometrics, that is time series analysis. Time series data refers to observation of a variable collected over successive period of time. That can be daily, monthly, quarterly or yearly. Examples of time series data: GDP growth over years, inflation rate per month, stock prices per daily, rainfall per season. Usually we analyze time series data to extract meaningful insights and prediction about future. The main aim of time series analysis is to understand the underlying pattern, that can be trend, cycles, seasonality, and to make forecasts about the future. Major components of time series data are: first is trend. Trend is a long-term movement or direction of data. Example, if population rate is growing over the years, this is an important example of time series data. Another component is seasonal variation, that is regular pattern repeating every year or season. Example, increased sale during festival or holidays. And third component is cyclical variation, long-term fluctuations due to business cycle. For example, expansion and recession due to the business cycle fluctuations. The last component is irregular or random component, that is unpredictable variation caused by unexpected events. For example, natural disaster, strikes, war, etc. Stationarity is an important aspect of time series data. In time series data, stationarity means that statistical properties of series do not change over time. Statistical properties are mean, variance, covariance. These are the important statistical properties. If mean is constant, variance is constant, and covariance between between variables depend only lag, not on the basis of time. So stationarity implies that the process behaves similarly all the point of time. That is, its pattern is stable and predictable in a statistical sense. Then if stationarity is that, what is non-stationarity series? Non-stationarity series shows systemic change in mean, variance and covariance. Trend stationarity, it is another aspect of stationarity, that is mean changes deterministically, that is predictable component of the series. If mean changes deterministically over time, but fluctuations are stationary over the trend. Example, if a series is non-stationary and that can be made stationary after differencing, this is called a difference stationary series. More specifically, series become stationary after differencing once or more than one. Stochastic trend or unit root process. Why stationarity matters? We already told that stationarity is an important aspect of time series analysis. Why stationarity become matter? It's because statistical inferences. Non-stationary data can be produced spurious regression, that is wrong regression result, where variable appear related even when they are not really related. Second one is model stability. Parameters of econometric models are meaningful and constant only under stationarity. Only a stationarity assumption is satisfied, the parameters of econometric model is meaningful. Then forecastic reliability, that is stationary series are predictable because their structure is stable over time. Theoretical consistency is an important aspect of stationary series. Many time series techniques, ARIMA, VAR, ARC, Garch model. These models assume data are stationary or made stationary before estimation. It is compulsory to be stationary all the series for analyzing Arima, War, ARC and Garch model. Causes of non-stationary. We have discussed that stationarity is important and there are many ways to become a series is non-stationary. Then let's discuss what are the major causes of being a series non-stationary. First one is trend, deterministic or stochastic. If a time series data follows a trend, for example, economic growth, inflation trend, usually these variables are following a trend over the period. And second one is changing variance. If any variable or series is changing its variance, that is volatility. Nowadays financial variables, financial volatility is seeing all the time. So if financial volatility over time is the cause of non-stationary series.